How to use Compare and Replace. The Compare and Replace feature gives you the option to search for a new recipe or food item, compare the nutrients, and replace if desired. This is a good tool to help ensure you stay within your daily nutrient goals while further customizing your menu. If you don't want pork chops for dinner, you can replace it by clicking on the pencil icon, then click Compare and Replace. To narrow your search, check the Recipes Only box. Type the new food item that you would like in the search box, for example, pasta, and the database of recipes will begin to populate. Select the new recipe by clicking on it. How about pasta with tomatoes, basil, and garlic? If you would like to view the recipe before selecting it, click the Show Recipe button to see the ingredients, instructions, prep, and cooking time. The link to the recipe source site is also available. Click X to close the recipe card. Now you have the option to adjust the servings you plan to eat. Next, compare the nutrients of the two items by clicking the Compare button. The macro and micronutrients are broken out in columns: current item, new item, and difference for easy comparison. If you would like to view other options, simply click the X to close and view other pasta recipes or search another food preference. Click Replace when you have finalized your selection. If adding the food or recipe exceeds your daily caloric target, the meal warning box will open. You will now have the option to rebalance the day's serving sizes to meet your caloric target. Or if you plan to make multiple edits for one day, you can wait to rebalance until you have completed all the modifications, then use the Rebalance Day with My Changes feature. Let's go ahead and check the box to rebalance now. You will see the original recipe has been replaced, your My Menu has been rebalanced for the day, and the nutrients and shopping list will have been updated.